एली थोड़ा सा आगे जाओ एली थोड़ा सा सीखो एली 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 थोड़ा सीखो ना थोड़ा सीखो पीछे अरे पछाड़ा मारे थोड़ा बस अरे उधर साइकिल थैंक यू
सर सेंटर में आए हो सर। तो यहाँ पे सर ये वहाँ पे क्लोज इट राइट यहाँ पे
हातामुळे फ्लॅश सगळे
इधर सर यहाँ पर सर यहाँ
भाई सेंटर में भाई भाई सेंटर में
Excited to perform. What's going on in your head right now?
Very excited, very nervous. My first ever performance on IFA. I have the privilege of performing alongside such megastars like Salman sir. So yeah, I really have to step my game up, and I'm going to work very hard to, get my game down. No, but I'm really looking forward to the weekend, and it's really an honor for me to be a part of the weekend, and I feel like, I feel like I'm a little something, a little part of the industry, by just being a part of such a big event. So yeah.
Of course, you are, because you've got two smashing hits backing you up right now. You've been to Spain before? Have you had some experiences there? Or this is the first time in Spain as well?
This is my first time in Spain. I don't travel too much. Bandra se Juhu. Not much really. Yeah.
Great, yeah. But I'm sure it's going to be definitely better than Bandra and Juhu. The whole experience in Spain is going to be phenomenal for you as well. There are a lot of people out there who want to get a sample of what you're going to be doing on stage. So I'm going to play your track. You're the god of dancing. I'm a novice.
That's actually Hrithik Roshan and actually Salman sir as well in their own styles. But I'm trying to.
So you're the third god of dance.
The first I did out of India, a very good evening to you, ladies and gentlemen, members of the press. The first one I did was in Dubai and was a huge success. And I have to say this, it's a great platform and I have to use it to the optimum best. I don't know how the team of IFA, Andre, Viraf, Sabas, every time, you know, they do it better every year. I keep thinking, oh, you know, it's not going to get better than this. And they pull out a rabbit out of the hat. And I think it's such an interesting concept to kind of make this amalgam of health and Bollywood. And, you know, as you're all are aware, yoga is practiced world over. It comes from India. I'm very, very proudly associated with it. And when they asked me to be part of something like this, I was more than gladly, I more than gladly agreed to do it. So it's going to be a privilege. It's going to be a new one for IFA. And I think it's a great platform for me as well. So thank you very much.
There are a lot of people who are dying to learn yoga from you. Can you teach us a yoga pose, please? A glimpse. Sir would also like to know. Sir, she is the one for yoga, sir. You can practice this as well, sir. All right, here goes.
Here goes.
एक आपको मेरी जवानी की कसम, आपको आपकी जवानी की कसम.
I'm wearing heels, so when you practice yoga, as everyone's aware, you have to take your shoes out. No, and I'm not warmed up, so there's a method to the madness. I can't disrespect what I do, so I don't want to do it here. But we're really going to have great fun, and I'd like you to be part of the session. Siddharth, you need it, so please be there. Thank you so very much, and I'm really looking forward to it. Looking forward to going to Spain. I've been to Barcelona, so Madrid is going to be really great. And I'm really looking forward to IFA because it's really this one big family that comes together. IFA does something new every time. And they've always been trendsetters. They're the first to take the film fraternity out of the country and celebrate them. And it was through IFA that I actually got to see the love of all our fans world over. And I had no idea there was such a huge Indian diaspora everywhere I went. And it was so wonderful to see that. And they make that happen. The team of IFA. Thank you very much.
ladies and gentlemen. I think for me, IFA this year is all about friendship. It's my friendship with IFA. It's my friendship with Viraf, Andres, Abbas. It's my friendship with Mr. Raj Naik from Colors. My friendship with Maruti Suzuki. All of them at Maruti, and all the friends of my fraternity. And especially this year is about Salman Khan. Well, I've been going in the last few years to IFA, and one person I was missing was Salman. And he's coming back to IFA, I think, after how many years, Salman? 3 years. So IFA was, we had great fun the last 3 years, but it was not the same. So whenever Salman was there for all the IFAs, they were very, very special for me because it was like a family. We all were there. We used to go to his room and, party, and his generosity, his friendship, his love. It was fantastic, and I missed that. So I'm looking forward to being with him again. It's all about friendship. My friendship with Salman also. Thank you very much. Thank you.
What do you have in your hand? What's your perception right now?
I'm not going with any perception. I'm just going to make myself busy seeing all the, exploring the entire performing for IFA for sure, and looking forward to have a great time there.
I'm sure you will. And Ellie, you are an incredible dancer as well. So you're getting jitters. Are you nervous? Are you feeling confident? What's going on in your head right now?
Well, thank you so much. I'm always nervous. I love to perform. I'm always so nervous. I always have the butterflies, which I believe is a good sign. You should never lose them. And I'm very excited to go to Madrid, super excited. And I'm super excited to get this opportunity to finally perform on IFA because it has been one of my dreams. I still remember when I was in Sweden, and IFA is really the award that a lot of us abroad, we who are like Bollywood fans, we always look forward to see the IFA award, and now I'm getting to be a part of it, so I'm just so grateful for that.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to seeing both your performances as well. Thank you, ladies, for being with us on stage. Thank you, Ellie. One photo off with both of you standing together, please. Thank you.
बाय 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 एली का है ना? अरे हटा ना, एली का नहीं।
सूरज, आप पहली बार स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करने वाले, कितने नर्वस हैं, कितने एक्साइटेड हैं?
अब तक गाना सुना नहीं है तो कंफ्यूज हूँ कि कौन सा गाना देने वाला हूँ, पर आई एम डेफिनेटली नर्वस टू पहला परफॉर्मेंस है। स्कूल में भी कभी परफॉर्म नहीं किया था मैंने, तो एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वस हूँ। तो देखते हैं क्या है।
सलमान भी है, ऋतिक भी है वहाँ पर।
जी जी जी,
आपको क्या लगता है?
कोशिश मेरी तरफ से जितना होगा कोशिश करूँगा। सॉरी,
जब विदेश में जा करके अपने इंडस्ट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करना होता है तो क्या कुछ खास तैयारियां होती है, क्या कुछ मन में चलता है वहाँ के लोग, यहाँ की बातों को?
देखो मैं पहली बार परफॉर्म करने वाला हूँ, तो मैं अपनी तरफ से एज एन एक्टर जितना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दे सकूँ मैं ट्राई करूँगा देने। और फर्स्ट आईफा है, नॉमिनेटेड भी हूँ फॉर बेस्ट डेब्यू, तो अगर जीतूंगा तो अच्छा होगा। और मैं अब तक मैंने कुछ सुना नहीं है, अब तक कुछ सुना नहीं।
वहाँ जाकर मौका मिलता है अवार्ड फंक्शन के अलावा क्या कुछ घूमना फिरना, शॉपिंग, कुछ मौका मिलता है?
देखो फ्री के टिकट मिले, हाँ फ्री का होटल स्टे है, तो थोड़ा मस्ती तो करेंगे। in a few months, August, September. Bus?
You'll be performing at the Madrid. Ali, please continue.
मैं वो अभी तक मैं शेयर नहीं कर सकती हूँ, बट मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि ये मेरी पहली बार है जो मैं आईफा पे परफॉर्म करूँगी, और वो एक्चुअली मेरा एक बहुत सपना है, एंड इट्स कमिंग ट्रू बिकॉज आईफा इज़ लाइक दी अवार्ड जो हम इंडिया के बाहर से है। एवरी ईयर वी आर ऑलवेज वेरी एक्साइटेड कि इस साल आईफा में मतलब क्या होने वाला है, you know, so it's like the award we are always so excited for, and the fact that I'm actually getting to, like, I am one of the actors in Bollywood now that gets to perform in IFA. It's just amazing. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
ये कितनी अच्छी बात है। सलमान इज देयर। ये कितनी अच्छी बात है। सलमान जो कई सालों से उनको ट्राई कर रहा था, वो आईफा का हिस्सा बनने जा रहे हैं आफ्टर गैप ऑफ 3 इयर्स।
क्या सॉरी?
सलमान जो कई सालों से आईफा चाह रहा था उन्हें ऑन बोर्ड लाना, और ये कितनी अच्छी बात है। हाउ लकी यू फील सलमान इज ऑन बोर्ड विद आईफा एंड यू आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द सेम।
I mean that's just it's amazing. Actually मुझे पता नहीं कि मैं अपना फीलिंग्स कैसे डिस्क्राइब करूँगी, बिकॉज इट्स लाइक जैसे मैंने कहा, इट्स रियली अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू।
आपके बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड है, सलमान की शादी की खबरें आ रही है, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहते हैं?
Next question.
No personal questions, please.
Yeah, please, no personal questions. Let's talk about. My good wishes are always with Salman. So yeah. Thank you.
चलो भाई, एक्शन क्या मतलब, किस टाइप का एक्शन? बोलिए भाई, क्या सवाल?
कितना लकी मानते हैं आप आईफा का हिस्सा बनने जा रहे हैं? सलमान जिन्हें आईफा का ही ट्राई कर रहा था ऑन बोर्ड लाने के लिए, वो भी तो आईफा का हिस्सा बनने जा रहे हैं।
दिस इज आवर बर्थ. हम लोग अभी पैदा हो रहे हैं आईफा में, फर्स्ट ईयर इन आईफा. तो एक बच्चे की जैसे फीलिंग होती है, एक्साइटेड, हैप्पी एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि वहाँ पे एक पार्टी होने वाली है. इट्स अ बिग पार्टी सेलिब्रेशन. और पूरे साल जो मेहनत करी हमने, चिड़ियाँ कलाइयाँ, बेबी डॉल, गाने बनाए, उसका एक तरीके से ये पे बैक टाइम है, रिवॉर्ड है.
पार्टी एनिमल्स बन के आईफा में पार्टी करेंगे.
या बिकॉज नॉट ओनली दैट, पहली बार इस बार हम आईफा में जाने वाले हैं. पहली बार हम आईफा में परफॉर्म भी कर रहे हैं. और हाउ कैन वी नॉट बी सिंगिंग आवर ट्रैक पार्टी एनिमल्स. तो हम आपको उसकी लाइन सुनाएंगे जो हम आईफा में परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि वहाँ क्या होने वाला है.
ये हमारा भी लेटेस्ट सिंगल जो आया उसकी लाइन है. कमो कमो कुड़ियो लेट्स गो नाउ, क्लबिंग करेंगे हम एनी हाउ, बम्स हिला के वाइल्ड डांस करेंगे. शेक इट गर्ल्स, शेक इट गर्ल्स. We are party animals. आईफा पे we are party animals.
तो ऐसी मस्ती होने वाली है और ऐसा कुछ एक क्रेजी परफॉर्मेंस होने वाला है. अभी हम उसकी तैयारी कर रहे हैं एंड इट्स गोना बी अमेजिंग.
फुल पार्टी एनिमल्स बन के आ रहे हैं हम आईफा में इस बार.
अगर होती है तो फिर ऑब्वियसली हमने उनसे पहली बार जो एक्टर सलमान खान को तो पूरी दुनिया ने देखा हुआ था. हम लोग वो पहले लोग थे जिन्होंने सिंगर सलमान खान को देखा अपने स्टूडियो में माइक के ऊपर. तो हम गाएंगे हैंगओवर, तेरी यादों का हैंगओवर, तेरी शादी का. भाई सलमान भाई अगर कर रहे हैं शादी तो मतलब मेरे को लग रहा है हिंदुस्तान पे सालों तक हैंगओवर रहेगा इस बात का. बहुत दिल टूटेंगे और वो जो दिल टूटेंगे लड़कियों के उसका भी हैंगओवर रहने वाला है. भाई दिस इज समथिंग अगर ये सच है तो फिर आर बेस्ट विशेज एंड वी आर इज यंगर ब्रदर्स. हम लोग वहाँ पे भांगड़ा करेंगे और नाचेंगे, गाएंगे और खूब रौनक लगाएंगे और सारी रात गाएंगे मीत ब्रदर्स. ये हमारा प्रॉमिस है.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू.
ये सिर्फ आईफा के टाइम पर ही मेरे साथ में नहीं होते. दे आर विथ मी ऑलवेज. आई मीन आई मीट अप विद देम very often and they've always stood by me, they've always been with me, so it's a different kind of connect altogether. Viraf, Andre and Sabas. वो जो एक 4 दिन की छुट्टी होती है वो मैं मिस करता हूँ. सर काम कर रहा था सर. क्योंकि जो ये 3-4 आईफा हुए हैं वो काफ़ी दूर हुए हैं. और क्योंकि मैं फिल्म में बैक टू बैक कर रहा था तो उनमें वो डेट्स एडजस्ट नहीं हो पाए. तो कभी मैं कश्मीर में था तो कभी मैं और था तो कभी मैं और था, तो वो डेट्स हो नहीं पाए. अब मैनेज हो गए इस साल के डेट्स, तो जा रहा हूँ.
I don't know if you're aware about this or not, but last night Sohail misbehaved.
I don't think he misbehaved.
You're aware about this?
I don't think he misbehaved at all.
But abusing.
Well, just the other day, I was coming up from the airport. One journalist, kept her mic in my friend's face, and so he just moved the mic and he said, "What's wrong with you, idiot?" So I had to look at her and said, "And my dad is 80 something. You can't come and stick. You're young people. You can't come and stick your mics in front of me. What if he falls?" This is to happen with Sohail. Please don't try this stuff with me. Rest my parents, my family, my friends, especially my mother, Ellen auntie, my dad. We're young people. You can do this with us. Don't do this because you would not like this if I do it in front of you, your parents. So have that respect. See, now you're standing here like this. It's so cool. Now you're competing with each other, and no one's getting any bite, no one's getting any statement. So if my brother at that point in time is concerned for my father, he's not abusing you. He's just, feeling really shit about that whole situation that took place. It shouldn't have happened. If you guys have behaved yourself, that would have never happened. Why are you provoking? Don't provoke like this. Keep your distance. आप एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़े जा रहे हो to get your mics in front. You have the decorum, now. We all stand. Who doesn't stand and who does not talk to you people here? We all do. But there's one section who does not just want to, keep that decorum intact. We're seniors. What time were you there? Now, my brother and my father were having a nice dinner together. What time did you go there? And what is this ridiculous statement that you wanted to find out about? What was the time? 12 o'clock in the night. You want to know whether I'm getting married or not? So, that's not cool. And they stood there, They stood there nicely.
Salman, but at this platform, can we really ask? A lot of fans are also anticipating.
अरे नहीं बाबा यार.
अरे एक मिनट यार. Salman, no, I mean a lot of fans. You have million fans. One second. You have million fans in India and abroad. The question is, will you actually marry India Vankur? Because there is a lot of speculation happening.
That is my thing.
1 second, guys.
That's my thing. I don't even know your name. Why should I tell you, dude? That's my thing. That's for my family, for me. When I want to get married, I will get married. I don't need to tell you when I'm getting married. Understand that? If I want to do that, I will tweet it. Okay? If I'm doing that, I'll tweet up on my Facebook. So that is something that I will keep it to me and my fans.